Hello, welcome to Cooking with Deb, and today we're going to make a homemade pancake mix. And I got 3 tablespoons of butter melted, and then we're going to go with flour. We're going to go with a cup and a half of flour, cup and a half. Of flour. Then we're going to do teaspoons, two and a half teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2 and a half baking powder. And then we're going to do salt. We're going to do a half a teaspoon of salt. You do less if you want. You don't want that much salt, but you need some salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of sugar. We're going to do an egg. And vanilla. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2, and then we're going to mix this all together. And we're going to whisk this all together. I find my whip. There it is. Mix this all together as I make a mess. Oh my goodness, I'm really making a mess. And then we're going to add some water. Mix this all up. Trying to get that baking soda and that in there, and then we're going to add some water. And I just do it till it's cold water. Add some cold water. And then we're going to mix that up. Put a half a cup right now, probably. It's probably enough. I get this all mixed together and whipped out. Might need a little bit more, but I sure made a mess over here. Get the lumps out. I think we're going to need a little bit more water. A little bit more. I like mine kind of thick, so that makes thick, puffy pancakes. To me, this probably won't make very much pancakes because I make mine pretty big, but that's like the consistency. It's pretty. Sometimes mine's even thicker than that, but time to get it all whipped together. That's what it looks like. Now, if you don't want all that vanilla, you could do half that vanilla, even. Up to you. And that's all it is to make pancake mix. Probably cheaper than buying pancake mix. Really. Don't take much. Probably pennies to make this compared to buying the box of pancake mix. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and have a wonderful evening. Okay. There's our pancake. We flipped it. And we're going to give me a minute. It looks a little different than store-bought, but I mean, it's getting there by feeling. I feel mine to feel. This looks shinier. That's cool. Usually my regular ones are not this shiny. Oh, that's normal. There you go. That's what my pancakes usually look like. I'm going to try another one. Then I get used to this pan. I'll make sure it ain't too hot, though. Should be good. I'd probably double it if you would have a family and needed more than one pancake, or triple it. But it's not bad. Looks pretty good. See me? That's not bad. Pretty decent thickness. I like mine thicker than that though, really. Normally. It's nice and bubbly. And the edges are starting to cook. I usually flip them when the edges are like done. But you can tell they're more done around the edge. I'll let it go a few seconds more. Looks pretty good though. And we're going to scoot our thing under it, loosen it. Try to loosen the whole way around before you flip. And then there's your flip. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm going to finish doing this and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, there's our pancakes. And I would have had 5 nice sized ones if I wouldn't have threw the first one away, but not bad. Looks pretty good. I'm going to try them. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening.